Gold, Bitcoin, and GBPUSD are approaching important levels. In this analysis, I'll show you the confirmations to watch before considering your next trade. You'll learn the current market bias, key liquidity zones, and what would confirm or invalidate each setup. Subscribe to AFTechTrades so you don't miss our next analysis. Let's begin with gold. On the 4-hour chart, the broader structure remains bearish, but price has produced a strong recovery from the 4,080 area. Gold is now testing resistance between 4,320 and 4,350. This zone could determine whether the recovery continues or sellers regain control. For a bullish scenario, wait for a 15-minute candle to close clearly above 4,332, followed by a successful retest. Do not chase the breakout. For the bearish scenario, watch for rejection from the resistance zone, followed by a break below 4,300. That would expose the 4,280 area. The important lesson is confirmation. Gold is recovering, but buying directly beneath resistance creates poor risk. Let price prove whether buyers can hold above the zone. Now let's examine Bitcoin. The larger trend remains under pressure, but price has recovered strongly from the $60,000 support area towards $66,000. Bitcoin is now approaching resistance around 65,800 to 66,000. Buyers still need a convincing breakout and retest before this recovery becomes stronger. If Bitcoin is rejected below 66,000 and breaks 65,400, price may retrace towards 65,000, followed by 64,800. For the bullish scenario, Bitcoin must close above 66,000 and hold that level during the retest. Until then, treat this move as a recovery into resistance. Bitcoin's recovery is encouraging, but the larger structure has not fully turned bullish. Confirmation matters more than predicting whether the next candle rises or falls. Now let's examine GBPUSD. The 4-hour chart is ranging, with price repeatedly reacting between support near 1.332 and resistance around 1.346. GBPUSD recently rejected the 1.346 resistance area. For a bearish scenario, wait for price to break and retest below 1.342 before considering further downside. For the bullish scenario, GBPUSD must reclaim 1.346 and hold above it after a retest. That could open the way toward 1.348, followed by 1.350. If price confirms below 1.342, the first downside area to watch is 1.340. A deeper move could then target 1.338. GBPUSD remains inside a range, so patience is essential. Avoid entering in the middle. Wait for price to confirm above resistance or below support before making a decision. To recap, gold and Bitcoin are testing resistance, while GBPUSD remains inside its range. In every market, wait for a confirmed breakout, rejection, or retest before entering. Remember, these levels are areas to watch, not automatic trade signals. Always wait for confirmation, control your position size, and decide your risk before entering any trade. If this analysis helped you, like the video, share it with another trader, and subscribe to AFTechTrades for clear and practical market breakdowns. Disclaimer: this analysis is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading involves risk. Always do your own research and manage your risk carefully.